Hi everyone, I'm the librarian at Windthorst Library, and I wanted to show you our SILS app and some ways that you can use it to find materials. Okay, so once you have your account number in and your PIN number, you're done. And there's your account status. It tells you if you have items to pick up, items out, anything due, overdues, or any fees. And up here at the top is where you can search, so let's do a search. Let's look for My Little Pony, and let's try to find the DVD. Okay, try that again, DVD. And there's all the little My Little Pony DVDs, so if you took out the first one, and here it shows all the information about the DVD. Add to list, view holdings. We can look at the holdings and see what library it's at, and it's at all these different libraries in the Southeast region. So we can go back and we can place a hold. It's telling us it's coming from the Southeast region, and it's going to come to Windthorst branch as the pickup location. Place hold. Okay. So we've done that one. Now let's go back and let's say this time we wanted to find, let's go by an author this time, and let's find one by, let's try Lisa Gardner. There's lots of books by Lisa Gardner. It just lists them all in the province. So if we go to this refine button, we can refine by, we want to go by large print. So if we click here on large print, 23 items are in large print by Lisa Gardner. Let's go with the first one. There's all the information. Add to list. You can view the holdings. You can just place a hold. It's going to come to Windthorst. Yep, place a hold. Okay. Okay, so there's a large print. Let's go back to search. Let's look for this one. Let's say this time we wanted to find an audiobook, and we want to find an audiobook. Let's try John Sanford. So we can search for his books, 36 items, and again we can refine it. And this time we're going to put sheet music, large print, graphic novel, music, CD, audiobook. There we go. And we want the language to be English. We want them to look in all the locations. They're going to see if there's any. Okay, there's 4 audiobooks. So we could pick the first one if we like that one. Let's try Leaving Home Stories. Oh, this one is for people with print disabilities. Okay, so let's just try a different one. Let's try James Patterson. 1,987 items. Okay, let's refine that down to audiobooks in English, all locations. There's 750 books on CD, so we could just pick one, place a hold, coming to Windthorst. Okay. Then at the bottom here, there is the account number. There's a barcode, so you don't have to use your card. You could just bring your phone to the library and show your barcode. So that's interesting information there. You can find out what items you have ready for pickup, items you have out. If you go to your account, it tells you the requests, the fees, the reading, and the reading history. So there's lots of good ways you can use SILS to help you find what you're looking for. Thanks for watching.